Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome, welcome, welcome. You can see from the title of this video, this is a Valentine's Day inspired look. It's a simple, easy but glam look that you can recreate for your dinner, date night, whatever you're going to be doing on Valentine's Day. Feel free to recreate. Okay, so I'm just going to leave you now to watch the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification buttons. Okay, right, so now I'm done with my skin work and this is what it looks like. I've also done my brows and now I want to move on to the eyeshadow. Okay, let's go. So now I'm just going to apply my eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to do my nose contour now, and I'll set my under eye so it will be easy to dust off whatever eyeshadow product falls on it. Okay, whenever you're doing your nose contour, you want to remember the letter Y and just follow that step. So, and that's basically it. That's all you need to know. I don't want something too dark today. I'm just going to go in like with a very light brown powder, and yeah, that's all I'm doing for the nose. And yeah, that's it. So for the eyeshadow look, I really want to do something soft and glam. It's a Valentine's Day inspired look and I want to do something soft and glam for my girls that love soft look. But if you want something much more dramatic, you can just comment in the comment section and I will do just that for the next video. So I'm going in with a very light brown eyeshadow for my transition look, and I'm using a fluffy brush. I already dipped it in the brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to blend, remember, from the inner corner to the outer part, whatever way you want to do, and blend, blend, blend. Same thing with the other eye. That's what we have there now. So I'm going to go with my flat brush and dip into this color. I think this is, I don't know if this is white or cream, but like, yeah, I'm just going to place it here. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. So yeah, that's it. So I've just gone back to the brush I used before and I'm going to blend off because I don't want any harsh line. Very soft. I'm not bringing out, at least not now. And then yeah, I think I'll go in with some pigments or glitters and just to pop up to make it look glam. I don't want to do too much, remember, just want to keep it simple and glam. So I'm just going to add little pigment. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to apply my pigment glue. I'm using this one from Elf, and I'll just pop a little on my eyelid. I don't want that to change the color of my eyeshadow. Right, that's it. That's literally it. I'm thinking of using the champagne colored pigments or a silver pigment, but let's see. Well, let's see. I can mix both. I can do both actually, so yeah, let's see. I feel like all the white and cream I apply has gone down, and that's because of the glue. I'm just going to use the silver pigment instead because the champagne didn't do much. Yeah, So next thing, we're going to do a winged eyeliner look, and then I'll pop on my lash. Now let me show you how to correct a bad eyeliner. All you need is a flat brush and like concealers, of course, the exact tone of your skin, and then you just pop it. Don't swipe too much, just place concealer on it. Yeah, just let it dry, okay? And then you come back for that. I'll do the same here. Yeah, just going to let it dry and I'll come back and fix that up. Yeah, I'm just going to do the cat eye lining now, okay? That's the inner eye lining. Yeah, that's what we have there. If you make any mistake while lining your waterline or your inner eye, just do the same method you did with this one. Look, it's dried now. All you need to do is apply your powder on there and that's it, you know. That's it. I'm just going to add white now on my waterline. You can use a white eyeshadow or your eyeshadow primer for that part. Anyone you like. She might be cute. Just dusting off that pigment. That's why I like to bake my face, so it makes it easier for me to dust off fallouts on my shadow or pigments. And now I'm just going to press in the leftover product with my powder, and then I'm applying little powder on the eyeliner part that we corrected. And that's what it looks like now after correction. Do same for the other one. For my lips, I want to do red lips, but I'll line my lips with a black liner. Yes, line it with a black and a brown liner. So we'll start with the black one. I'm going to go in with the dark brown now. You can see what the black is doing. So I'll do the brown. I like to line my lip, overline my lip. That's what we have for the lip. Going with the flat brush and concealer, just like I did with the eyeliner thing. I like to use the concealer the exact shade of my skin. That's why I'm able to do this and blend out. To be honest with you, I really don't do much after this. I just leave it the way it is. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to apply powder there. Usually I just let it dry and it stays, and that's all. So I'm just going to use the leftover product from my powder brush and dab and dab. And that's it. I wish I had the Huda Beauty Pink baking powder, you know, the new one she just released. I feel like it would have been like a good look. I'll just go and get my hair done and I'll be right back.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch.
final look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share. Okay. Also, turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to know when I upload. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye now.